Good afternoon. Well, many parts started on a cloudy note today and the rain is still pouring across eastern England courtesy of this area of cloud. But now the attention focuses on this menacing mass of cloud, our next area of low pressure, which will deepen quite rapidly through today as it rushes towards us. By tonight, those tightly packed isobars bringing not only wet weather, but some windy weather as well. So we are warning of some heavy rain in particular over the next 48 hours, on top of today's rain and with the ground saturated with another 15 to 25 millimetres of rain, perhaps an inch in southern Britain. There is the risk of further flooding. I think the greatest risk for southern England up into East Anglia. Now, we've had some rain in East Anglia this morning, over half an inch I should say, in Horncastle, and many parts have had a pretty bleak morning. Plenty of rain pushed its way up from the near continent across the London region, now up into Yorkshire and Lincolnshire, and the rain is still pouring, and for some parts it is going to linger until after dark. But I think further west it's brighter. A few showers packing into the south and west could be quite heavy, but fewer showers for North Wales, North West England, Northern Ireland. Still that rain though lingering across the far north of Scotland. At least temperatures are a little above average. There is a blustery breeze though near those showers, and those temperatures will drop off quite sharply tonight. So after the rain, I think icy patches will become a problem for many northern parts of the country, and here with lighter winds, particularly Scotland and Northern Ireland, we could have some fog problems by tomorrow morning. In the south though, it's wet and windy weather we have to contend with, as well as more persistent rain, potentially some gales, particularly in the south and the east. So for many parts of England and Wales, Friday will dawn pretty wet and windy. A little bit of sleety and snow weather, I think, for the Pennines, but a quieter day across Scotland and Northern Ireland. The mist and fog may take a time to clear with the lighter winds, but otherwise just the odd passing shower, particularly in the northwest of the Highlands. The rain eventually clearing from Shetland, but for much of the day, eastern areas will be pretty miserable with hill fog, persistent rain, and that will push up into eastern parts of Scotland as the day goes on. So it'll be pretty chilly, particularly as the northwest wind sets in. And that northwesterly wind will blow that weather system out of the way eventually on Saturday, not before it gives a little bit of sleetiness over the hills. And then the wintry showers following, well, there'll be of sleet and snow over the hills. Looks like a fairly chilly weekend with perhaps more in the way of showers come